Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Sweet Skills, brought to you by the STM Student Experience Team. My name is Celeste, and I am a campus minister at STM, and today we are going to be making chocolate truffles together. So truffles are really easy to make. The only ingredients that you kind of really need are chocolate and cream. So for the chocolate, you can either do chocolate chips or chocolate chunks or wafers or something like that if you're kind of buying in bulk. It can be milk chocolate, semi-sweet, or bittersweet or dark chocolate, or even white chocolate if you're not really a fan of the darker stuff. And for the cream, usually you need something that's like a heavy cream or whipping cream, something with about a 35% milk fat content. That sort of forms the basic building blocks of the truffles. And the basic ratio is 4 ounces of chocolate to a quarter cup of cream. Or if you're using white chocolate, 6 ounces of chocolate per quarter cup of cream. It may not sound like a big difference, but trust me, as someone who had to wrangle a white chocolate soupy pudding-y mess, those extra 2 ounces make a big difference. So 4 ounces of like a milk or dark chocolate to a quarter cup of cream, or 6 ounces of white chocolate to a quarter cup of cream. And with those basic building blocks, you can add all kinds of different flavors. So you can start with flavor extracts like vanilla or mint or orange or almond, whatever kind of your fancy is. Or you can add other flavoring agents like the inside of Oreo cookies or peanut butter or even coconut. So I'll be sharing a couple of recipes just to kind of give you an idea of the ratio for those as well. So the method is also pretty simple. You can do it either in a pot on a stovetop, which is what I'm going to show today, but you can also do it in a microwavable bowl in the microwave. Just whatever you have available and whatever you're most comfortable with. That's the name of the game here today with truffles. So, step 1. So once rolling the truffles is all done, kind of the only thing left to do is to enjoy. So thanks for watching with us, and I really hope that you enjoy your truffles. I know that I'm going to enjoy mine.